Today I have for you Boxycharm Base for the month of December. So if you want to know what amazing products I received, please stay tuned till the end. Hi guys, I'm Kilty and this is Always Sunshine, where we try to bring a little bit of sunshine to your makeup. And in today's video, I do have Boxycharm Base for the month of December. It does retail for $25 and it does promote $125 worth or more. This is their holiday box, so I am waiting to be amazed. But before we do get into the actual products, I do want to remind you guys, you can follow me on Twitter and on Instagram at AllwaySunshine. A little bit of love over there and a little bit of love over here. Also, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe if you do like my channel. Also, hit that notification button. I will tell you guys a little bit more about that at the end of this video. So now with that being said, let's get into these babies. So now we're going to get into our delighted products that we did receive from Boxycharm. Boxy always has their little pamphlet, as you guys can see. I did receive variation 40A. So let's get into the first product that I received, which is the Elemis Superfood Glowing Priming Moisturizer. This is what it looks like out the box, guys. Now we're going to go into our pamphlet and read a little bit more about it. It says that the lightweight multi-use formula leaves the skin hydrated while blurring the look of imperfections. It could also be used as a primer underneath the makeup or applied as a highlighter to enhance the skin radiance. This baby does retail for $49, guys. Let's open it and see what quality we're going to be receiving. Ooh, this looks very, very pretty. Open. Ooh, I like the little top. Now let's give it a little. And it is pigmented, so I only put a little drop, as you guys can see. Let me close it now and blur it into my skin. Ooh, that looks very, very nice and very radiant. You know me, guys. I'm going to smell it. Smells really nice. Like I said, it does retail for $49 and it is from Elemis. Now let's go to our next product, and it is the Sponge by Makeup Eraser. It says this is the first ever machine washable makeup sponge. This is what it looks like. As you guys can see, I did give this baby a use already. Now let's go to our little pamphlet and read a little bit more about it. It says the original makeup eraser, the sponge, the first time machine washable sponge, specially formulated by the original makeup eraser. It features the same unique wash technology to erase makeup from your sponge simply by machine washing. It does retail for $18. So now I'm going to show you guys what you actually get inside of the packaging. This is how it comes. This is how it is. So what you guys would do, unrock it. This is the sponge. As you guys can see, yes, today I did use this sponge to actually apply my makeup, and let me tell you guys, I love it. I give it 5 out of 5 stars. It is a very, very smooth. You could use it, you could use it to add every type of foundation, every type of foundation, concealer and powder. Under eye area will be this part right here. The powder, you will use this part right here, and the bottom you will use the foundation. Like I said, it does retail for $18. I myself am giving it 5 out of 5 for now. Next product I did receive from here, and guys, this product is a little bit on the expensive side, I find, but I did use it also today. And before I even get into the pamphlet, I want to show you guys what it is. These are magnetic lashes. I do have them on, as you guys can see, and it did come with the actual gel applicator. Now let's get into the pamphlet. This says this is the Glamnetic Bella Lash and Black Liquid Eyeliner. Bella is a medium with flare lash that gives a classy and beautiful wing eye effect. Made from high quality 100% vegan synthetic fibers. The Glamnetic Eyeliner, which is this baby right here, is the magnet that holds your favorite Glamnetic lashes together in place all day. It says the innovative formula is highly pigmented and it requires minimal wait time to provide all day hold. Guys, the price is $63. Now, let me give you my perspective on this little product. I did use it today. One, yes, you do not have to use a lot of the product. to, yes, when it's almost like 75, I'm saying 75 to 80% dry, you will actually put the lash and it will stick on. As you guys can see, I have maybe like an hour or two with these lashes. I hardly even feel them. So for magnetic lashes, I do want to tell you, it is the first time I am using them. I am glad that I did receive these. So far, so good. So I will wait till the end of the day. In a future video, I will tell you, did they hold on? Did they not? Wait for that one. Next product I did receive from here, guys, it is the V-Sart Professional Makeup Paris. And this is a seamless eye primer. This is what the baby look like. Now let's go to our trusty little pamphlet. It says the seamless eye primer works with all eyeshadows to ensure crease-free and vibrant wear. It does retail for $24. This is self-explanatory, guys. As you know, almost all the brands have, I call them eye concealers or eye bases is the actual cosmetic word, but I like calling them eye concealers. But this is what it looks like outside of the packaging. I am gonna open it and give it, yes, a little bit right here so you guys can see. Most of these do come as natural looking as this one, or maybe a little bit more on the lighter side. Now let me give it a little wisp right here. Today I did use one of these products, but I did not use this exact one. This one does retail for $24. So in my next look, I will be using this one and I'll be giving you more information from this little one right here, guys. Now, the last product that I did receive, it is the iconic London blush. This is what it looks like. Now let's go to the pamphlet. I will be opening for you guys in a couple of seconds. It says the iconic Blaze Chaser Face Palette. It's an ultra versatile face palette featuring 6 shades of butter smooth velvet powders that complement all skin tones. This convenient palette contains shades for sculpting and bronzing to add natural looking warmth and definition. Brushes shades that lift the face and give you that must have lit from within glow, and highlights shades for a flattering candid radiance. This baby does retail for $55 and I did receive this as a duplicate from my other box. So I'm going to show you guys. I'm not going to swatch it because I do want to put it in a giveaway. You are going to get some blushes and you are going to get some contours, and it also comes with a mirror. So I want to close it real quick. I don't want nothing to get into this baby. Like I said, $55 from Iconic. Guys, let's do a quick recap of all the products that I received for the month of December for my base box from Boxycharm. So the first thing is the Iconic London palette. We did receive the sponge. I'm just going to help this part right here. Washable, machine washable sponge. We also did receive my lashes that I have on and I'm so excited for, with also the magnetic gel pen. We also did receive the base Versant, and this is the base for the eye. Guys, these are the, oh, excuse me, I am missing one more. Last but not least, also the Elements Superfood. So now, yes, guys, these are the 5 products for the month of December from Boxycharm. So out of all the products, excuse me, out of the 5 products that I received, my favorite product for this month, guys, it is the sponge. And the reason why is because I have a lot of sponges that I have to clean. This baby says that you just throw it in and the sponge will be washed. So I will be giving this one a further use and letting you know. Guys, I also do want to remind you that we do have coming up some jewelry videos. That is going to be more into the January. I do want the holidays to die down a little, all this craziness down a little, so I could jump into those type of videos. I also do have some other products and some other boxes that I want to be unboxing in the future, so please stay tuned for those. You can also follow me, guys, remember, on Twitter. You can also follow me on Instagram. I like to sparkle a little bit of love over there and a little bit of love over here. Also remember to like, share, and subscribe if you do like my channel. The notification button is the most important because we do have monthly giveaways in this channel, as you guys know, or for you guys that are new, yes, we do have monthly giveaways in this channel. Currently, we have our December monthly giveaway going on. This is the link right here. So if you guys have not entered, please run right over, watch the full video so you guys will know all the rules of that giveaway. With that being said, I do want to wish everybody happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's if I don't get to see you guys. Good luck to everybody that entered the giveaway, and I will see you in the next one. This is Kelsey, and have a good one. Also, guys, don't forget about these 2 lovely videos.